All right, now let's have a look at the flatten tool. Now let's say instead of getting this thing cut, I want to turn it into a sticker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my shape, add a square, and I'm going to change the color of this to pink. So let me just send this to the back so I can see the size. And I'm going to unlock this shape so that I can turn it into a rectangle over here like this. And let's say I want to also add some hearts over here. And let me change it to red color. So, all right. So now I want to get all of this printed together. So right now, if you look on the right hand side panel, you can see that each of these shapes and image is going to get cut individually, but we do not want that. We want this to be cut along this rectangle only. So what we're going to do is click on flatten instead. And now you can see everything is flattened together and it is one entire image like we wanted it. Now this whole rectangle is going to get cut together and printed together like a sticker, just like we wanted it. So this is the use of the flatten tool. And the good thing about this is you can always unflatten it and fix it up if you like, and then flatten it again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's move on to the last option over here, which is the contour.